MetaMask is a desktop and mobile crypto wallet that is one of the easiest to use. The first step is to install MetaMask Wallet, which you can do from Google Play Store or iPhone App Store. We will be installing MetaMask on Android, but the process and steps are the same if you are using an iPhone. So, start by clicking on Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the Play Store app, type MetaMask. Select the MetaMask Wallet app from the drop-down list of options that appears. Click the Install button at the top of the app description page. This will verify the app and download it to your mobile. Once the app has installed, you can click the Open button on the app description page to launch MetaMask. When you open the app for the first time, you will be greeted with the Welcome to MetaMask screen. Click the Get Started button at the bottom of the page. Next, you can select what type of wallet you want to create. There are two options available. A. Import using secret recovery phase. Select this option if you already have a MetaMask wallet, for example on your desktop, and want to access it using the mobile app. Alternatively, you can choose this option if you want to recover an existing wallet using the secret phrase. B. Create a new wallet. This option will install a new wallet and secret phrase. This is the method we will be covering in our guide. Click the Create a New Wallet button. MetaMask will now inform you about the information it stores and privacy policy. Scroll to the bottom and click the I agree button. Next, you can start to set up your new wallet by creating a password. Choose a strong password. We would suggest mixing numbers and letters with a special character. You can also choose to unlock with biometrics, which will allow you to open the wallet using fingerprint or face recognition. Finally, tick the I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me box. Once you have completed all steps, click the Create Password button. MetaMask will now create your wallet on the blockchain. This could take a couple of minutes to complete, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Now we must protect your wallet by creating a backup. The secret phrase, also sometimes called a seed, will protect the crypto stored in your wallet. It is important to remember that anybody who has your secret phrase can access your wallet on the blockchain and steal any crypto that is stored there. Never share your secret phrase with anybody. If you lose your secret phrase, you will not be able to access the crypto you have saved in your wallet. Click the Start button at the bottom of the screen. You are again asked to confirm that you are ready to start the process of securing your wallet. Click the Start button. Before you can access your secret phrase, MetaMask will ask you to log into your wallet. If you have biometrics on your mobile, you will be asked for your fingerprint. Alternatively, you will have to manually enter the password that you set up for your wallet. On the next screen, click the View button in the middle of the large black box to reveal your secret phrase. The secret phrase is 12 unique and random words. With the secret phrase, you can reinstall your wallet on another device. So, if you lose your mobile, then it is possible to reinstall MetaMask on your new device and recover your crypto. You must write these 12 words down and store them in a safe place. If you lose your secret phrase, then your crypto is at risk. Tip: do not store your secret phrase on your mobile, it defeats the whole object. Once you have written down your secret phrase, click the Continue button. Now MetaMask will ask you to confirm your secret phrase to check that you have written it down correctly. The 12 words are shown at the bottom of the page in a random order. You must click those words in the same order as they originally appeared in your recovery phrase. As you click the words, they will appear in the numbered boxes at the top of the page. If you make a mistake, simply click the numbered box at the top of the page which contains the wrong word, then click the correct word at the bottom of the page. When you have selected the 12 words in the correct order, a success message will be shown. You can click the Complete Backup button. You have now completed the MetaMask installation process and your new wallet is ready to receive its first crypto deposit. Click the Done button to open your new MetaMask wallet. You will be asked if you want to automatically check for security updates. Your wallet will update itself from the Google App Store. So, click the No Thanks button and proceed to your wallet. You will now be taken to the home screen of your new MetaMask wallet. From this main screen you can send, receive, buy and swap your crypto. You can now follow our guide to add KimberLite token to your MetaMask wallet. This will explain how to add and receive KimberLite token on MetaMask.